Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide cash on delivery at Shopify Checkout using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful if you want to disable COD for specific products, countries, or cart value to help reduce chargeback and unwanted orders. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So to create the hide payment rule, we can click on payment methods and here we can choose the quick hide payment method. So here we can give the name like hide 30 for quarters above $500. So the rule status is activated. So here the payment method, I'm choosing cash on delivery. So here we can give the condition, so that click on add condition and we can give the cart total. So add the condition. So the cart total greater than, enter the value like $500. So that's it. Here the rule preview is here. The cart total more than 500. It will hide the cash on delivery. So that's it. Before that, we can just check the checkout section. So the value is $2040 actually. So there is the cash on delivery option now. So we can go to the part and add one more into the cart and one more. Okay, now the total card value is $675. So go to the checkout and let's see. There is cash on delivery option is or not. Yeah, there is the cash on delivery option. So when we create the rule, it is above $500, the cash on delivery will be hide. So let's check so that keep on save. Okay, then rule has been created now. So go to the checkout section and here we can just refresh it and check. Yeah, the cash on delivery option is now hidden because the cat value is above 500. The rule we already created here. So that's it. So the cash on delivery option is no longer available as a payment option. So that's it. So hiding cash on delivery for selected orders or customers can help reduce chargebacks, lower return risk, and encourage more secure payment methods. So that's it. You have successfully hidden cash on delivery using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.